Imagine this. You think of a cat and boom, a computer instantly shows a picture of a cat. Sounds like science fiction? Well, AI is making it real. Yes, artificial intelligence is now reading our minds. But how? And should we be scared? Stay with me for the next 5 minutes because what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. How AI reads our brain. Our brain is like a giant electrical network. Every thought we have creates a pattern of electric signals. But how does AI read these signals? It all starts with two main technologies, EEG and fMRI. EEG is like a headset with sensors that picks up brainwave activity from your scalp. It's fast but doesn't go deep. fMRI, on the other hand, looks inside your brain by tracking blood flow. The more active a brain area is, the more blood it uses. AI then matches these patterns to what you're thinking. But here's where it gets crazy. AI can now reconstruct what you're seeing just by analyzing these signals. Experiment 1. AI reconstructing images from thoughts. Scientists in Japan placed people inside an fMRI scanner, showed them pictures of a lion, a plane, and a fish, and asked AI to predict what they were seeing. Look at this! This is the original image, and this is what AI generated using brain data. It's not 100% perfect, but the fact that AI is creating pictures straight from brainwaves is insane. But that's just the beginning. AI is now turning thoughts into text. Participants were asked to listen to spoken sentences, and AI decoded the brain signals to reconstruct what they heard. And guess what? AI was able to predict full sentences with up to 75% accuracy. This could one day allow people who can't speak to communicate just by thinking. How AI is learning to read minds. So how does AI actually do this? It all comes down to deep learning. Deep learning is a type of AI that works like a detective. It looks at brain signals over and over again, learning which patterns match which thoughts. The more data it gets, the better it becomes at guessing what you're thinking. And with more advanced AI models like GPT and neural networks, soon it won't just decode words, it might even understand emotions and memories. The future, and should we be worried? This technology is life-changing. It could help people with paralysis, create brain-controlled computers, and even let us talk to machines with our minds. But here's the big question. If AI can read thoughts, what about privacy? Could companies or governments use this tech to spy on us? This is why scientists are working on strict rules to protect our brain data before AI goes too far. What do you think? Is AI reading our minds exciting or scary? Tell me in the comments. And if you love mind-blowing tech like this, hit that subscribe button and join Concept Nook for more amazing science and tech videos.